Wild, emotional and mild. If you've seen Danny Boyle's 127 Hours, Reese Witherspoon's Wild will be mild and even in places a bit of a yawn. Which is strange because unlike 127 where the adventurer is completely on his lonesome, Cheryl Strayed here meets people and civilization at several points on the Pacific Crest Trail. Director Jean-Marc Vallée takes off from Cheryl Strayed's book on a real experience to send off Reese on a long hike. It's to go away from the trauma of her mother's death and a series of destructive trysts with men and heroin. Jean-Marc uses the same narrative style as Danny Boyle by reconstructing Cheryl's life with flashbacks while she's on the trail. So you sometimes have the predictable. Cheryl meets a gang of buddies who clown around, and you know there's going to be a cut to her past where her mother's horsing around with her 2 kids. All the expected hurdles to be overcome, food, footwear and fears, are strewn on the all-weather trail with no heart-stopping surprises. Some may call it lyrical, but when neither man nor beast poses any threat to Cheryl's survival, the hike actually seems like an idyllic heaven on earth. In fact, when Cheryl cooks up a yarn on her husband who's waiting for her just to warn off a stranger from whom she's taken a lift, it's he who has a wife and home and is protective, while she's the one who's ruthless and has the wrong idea. There are, of course, several interesting touches, like the time Paul and she get a tattoo when they're getting divorced. And there's the wisecrack, it's easier to stay divorced than to stay married. The flashbacks unspool an abusive father, but a sunny mother who dotes on her kids and sings through life, however tough the going may be. You do wonder why Cheryl sulks or goes wayward instead of taking after the mother she clearly loved. But the Pacific Crest Trail in America, in all its beauty and communing with nature, has a refreshing quality that finally heals Cheryl, enough to feel good about herself for having done it on her own and to end up happy with a man and kids. Although it's not a wildly exciting trek, Cheryl's story makes a warm connect in the way people and equations inhabit it, even enrich it. And by stripping down to basics, sometimes literally, Reese Witherspoon gives body and life to Miss Strayed. For a film with more emotions than adventure in it, Wild gets a 3-star rating.